Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. It's been quite some days I had not recorded any video and I'm really sorry for that. I'll try to be consistent from now on. So coming back to today's video, today we are going to talk about summers. Yeah, summers are here. Really in Mumbai, summer starts after Holi. There are some days left for Holi, but summers are here and it's crazy hot. So here I am and I'm going to show you my very two amazing DIY anti-tan face packs. Even if you apply a lot of sunscreen lotion on your face, on your hands, legs, still your body tends to get tanned when you're out in the sun. I'm going to show you two super easy DIYs for removing all that tan using kitchen products. So the ingredients which I am using are so simple ingredients that would be available in everybody's kitchen. So let's start with the video. Along with the DIY face packs, I'm going to show you demo of each face pack, so stay tuned for that. So let's start. So my first very ingredient is a tomato. Yes, it's the most basic ingredient, but this little baby out here is very much rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and this little thing will remove your tan completely. I think this is my go-to anti-tan face. Whenever I feel that my face has tanned a lot, I use this. So the first DIY is just using this tomato. I'm not going to ask you to make a puree of this tomato or something else. You just need a juicy fresh tomato, cut it into half, and you need to just rub it all over your face or your hands or legs. This thing will really remove your tan. Do it once or twice a week and then your tan will be removed. So let's see the demo now. As you can see, I've washed my face really well. So this is the tomato. I'm going to cut it into half. So this is the tomato. I've cut it into half and I'm just going to rub it on my skin like this. Make sure to wear an old t-shirt because otherwise everything is gonna fall down. So make sure that. So just very nicely, with some pressure, rub it on all the parts of your skin, on your forehead and everywhere. The face looks so much cleaner, guys, and it feels so soft, and you need to do at least twice a week to get good results. So go and do it. Now for the next DIY anti-tan face pack, the star ingredient is lemon. Lemon is very beneficial for the skin and for overall health, I feel. So lemon also has antioxidants and vitamin C properties, and the vitamin C in lemon is abundant. You need to use it carefully. So I'm going to show you a face pack using this product. So for that I need 1.5 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. This is easily available in everybody's ingredient. The next thing which I'm going to add is turmeric or haldi powder. Now this turmeric is completely optional. Turmeric will give a little bit of glow to your skin, plus it has anti-inflammatory properties. So I think a little bit of turmeric will cause no harm. So just a pinch of turmeric I'm going to show you. So this is what the turmeric looks like. So I'm just going to take one pinch. So this is what I'm just going to add it here. Yeah. So if you guys can see, I've added just a little bit of turmeric, and in this I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. So I already have half a lemon here cut. So I'm going to squeeze in here. Make sure you remove all the seeds. So I've squeezed half a lemon. Using a spoon, just mix it well, and you need to make a very thick smooth paste. If needed, add some water. People having sensitive skin or a lot of pimples on the face, lemon will give a burning sensation. So always do a patch test before applying it on your face. I have added half a lemon. You guys can add 1/4 of lemon. That would also be fine. But along with lemon, mix some water so that you get a smooth paste. Now, even if I have put half of a lemon, it is just not enough. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Just a little bit of water, and I'm going to mix it in a very smooth paste. This is how the paste looks like. It's a very amazing face pack, guys. Try it out. Now let's do the demo. So here's the second DIY face mask. So I'm going to apply a generous amount here. As you can see, I've applied the product very generously on my face. And now after this, let it sit for around 5 minutes. It will get a bit dry. Hey guys, the scrubbing thing got a little messier, so I'm not putting that recording here. But yes, as you can see, my skin is literally glowing. And the second face pack was scrub cum face pack, because I put the face pack on the face and then I waited for 5 minutes and I scrubbed it for good 2 to 3 minutes. So I think it's an amazing face pack, guys. It will remove all the tan and it will also give you a glow within minutes. So I think you should definitely try out these two anti-tan face packs, and you will be loving it. So that was it, guys. I hope you like this video. These face packs are so easy to make and it works well for every skin, whether it be sensitive, dry, oily or something else. I hope you love this video, guys, and if you love this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.